Nothing like the dog days of summer when it is windy. It's also extremely hot and humid. And we have a hat here to save the day. Now, this hat itself has a few features that makes it an amazing hat for you to get. And one of which is the fans. So the fans themselves are right here. We have two different fans that are available for us. One of which is over here and the second one is over there. And the best part about this is that you can go ahead and take this out and make this a mobile cooling station. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh yeah, this feels good. So this is not just a regular fan. You might be thinking, hey, that's just a fan, man. It's a rechargeable solar-powered fan. And what makes it so good is that when you turn them on, you can stick them right here, right into the hat. And with this combined, we have two of them. So let's stick the second one in. You have to hear the snap, so we know it's right in there. There we go. It's snapped into place. And now we are going to be cooling ourselves off by putting the hat on. Voila. So you can put it this way, or you can put it the other way around. But this way you have the two fans just working and cooling you off as you go along. And we have the fans, just like a Terminator, walking along, and the heat is just dissipating off you. Because we have two cooling stations built right in here. And how awesome is that? Provided it's right on the hat itself. So you get two different things combined. Two fans, one hat, one awesome mechanism with the fan on the go that you can take with you to cool yourself out. Now let's go ahead and show you the mechanism so you can figure this out, if you should get this for yourself or not. So turn this on. Now this is the low power, but you can change the powers around. You can hear it. So we have the lowest power, more power, and the highest power right here, which is awesome by itself. Have the cooling breeze working for you. It's not too loud. You can hear it right next to this. Not really that loud. And then you can stick both of them up. And we are going to be turning both of them on this time around. And the reason why I'm turning both of them on at the same time, I want you to see how good this is. And practically hear how much noise it makes as well. So you know if you should get this for yourself or not. There it is. Full sound is on. You can listen to me. You can hear both fans working at the same exact time. Not too loud, awesome and cool. I actually like it. And then when you're done, or if you want less power, go ahead and turn both of those off right on the side here as well. Overall, it's a very good product. It gets everything done. And above all, we have two awesome fans and a hat for cooling off during the dog days of summer. Oh yeah. Wow. Absolutely love it.